Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches. Now also my website, which you can find the link in the description box below this video, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now today I'm going to be reviewing a product by the name of spinrewriter. Now that's brought to you by Aaron Sustar, and basically what spinrewriter is, it's a cloud-based software app, also a WordPress plugin, and it's in its launch period. It's been relaunched for a lot of years now, but it is in the launch period and is always a special offer discount. And so what I want to do is have a look at the special offer discount that's available when you pick up spinrewriter through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. And what I'll do is we'll go and have a look at the members dashboard, and then we can have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up spinrewriter through my link, which is the first link in the description box. So let's go over and have a look at the sales page for spinrewriter. Okay, so here is the sales page for spinrewriter, and I'm on the pricing page. So as you can see, the price for spinrewriter through this launch period, there is a free trial for 5 days, and then the product is at a discount, which is $77 for the year, and this is a 60% discount for the launch offer. Now as you can see, it's $47 a month for the monthly access, and $497, which is the full lifetime payment for the product. Now through this offer, obviously you've got unlimited articles, you've got the ENL spinning algorithm, you've got bulk spinning, mass export, then you've got bonus 1, which is video module, bonus 2 are 10 free seed articles, the 60% discount for the launch offer, and the 5-day free trial for the launch offers. Now with the free trial, if you put your email address in for the free trial, you'll pick up my 2 free bonuses, which are the Facebook trainings that I have to give away, and also my bonus offers if you decide to pick it up through my link. And we'll talk about the bonus offers when I look at. So what we'll do next is take a look at the members dashboard and look at how the software actually spins or rewrites an article. We'll do that now. Basically, you can load a draft. So this one says I searched earlier, I think it was for addictions or anxiety, and this come up with this as a sample of the articles. So then you basically just use this, you load the draft, so then it loads, after you've searched, it loads into the article rewriter. And so you've got an article that it's went out, searched through the database, and then it puts it into the rewriter. And then further, well, if I just move this, you can see this button here, which then you press this one to rewrite the article, and you can choose the number of times. Basically, when you're in the software, you could choose the number of times that you want to rewrite the article. So that's what this software does. It's rewriting automatically that article. And see how quick it's doing that, and it's saying it's just going to take a few seconds. So then that's what's happening now. With one click, I've just rewritten that article. And this is the rewritten article, which has been spun out by this software. So you just have to go through and select the different phrases and what you want, and then obviously that is the article that will be written. So that's like another step. So this is how easy it is to use this software. And there is full tutorials as well. There's videos that will show you exactly how you use this. And I think for the money that you're going to pay for this on the front end at this time for the special offer is going to be a huge saving on purchasing articles through like Freelance or Fiverr. So that's the article spinwriter or spin rewriter. And what we'll do now is we go over to my bonus page, have a look at the bonuses that I've put together for this particular offer. So here we are on my bonus page for the spin rewriter, and there's a description here telling you what it is. It's basically a unique article rewriter. There's lots of testimonials from lots of people. Even Chris Munch from Muncheye has given his testimonial to this product. There's lots of people use this product as well. And you can have a look on my bonus page, which I say will be the first link in the description box below the video. And any of the yellow buttons on this bonus page will take you through to a sales page for this spin rewriter. And here's some proof that it's a multi-million dollar market for this product. This is for spin rewriter. So here it's Google Trends, and it's showing you how it started out and it's moved up the trends every time it's relaunched, and it goes through the special offer relaunch. Is obviously it's gaining in its membership. So some of the key benefits you might be interested in: it's easy, it's intuitive, it's even for beginners, it's backed by real case studies, like I say, it's a cloud-based app software. The Spin Rewriter is a time-tested, top-quality product. There's a 5-day free trial available, and it's easy-to-follow video tutorials and the money-back guarantee. So any of these yellow buttons will take you through to the sales page, like I say. And on my bonus page, if you click through, then you can watch Aaron with his 9-minute demo video, which walks you through almost all of the powerful spin rewriter features. So from the most basic ones to the more advanced ones. And I'm not going to play the video because it's 9 minutes, and obviously I don't want to bore you with like everything. It's if you were really interested in finding out the power behind this spin rewriter, then I would suggest taking a look at the video that is on the bonus page. So let's get into what I have available if you decide to pick it up through my link, which is the link in the description below. So bonus 1, I have the ClickBank Mastery course, which will take you through how to become affiliate on ClickBank and find out how you can promote ClickBank links on any your WordPress blog or social media or wherever you like. And that's the course, my bonus for number 1. Bonus number 2 is accelerate your traffic with Bing. So basically it's going to show you how you can use paid ads through Bing to get eyes and traffic on your website, on your service, or whatever it is, whatever business you're in. Now my third bonus is 40 lead magnets already done for you to boost your email list. So get yourself out there with your lead magnets and start generating the email addresses, because I've been told the money is in the list. And my bonus number 4 is access to John O. Armstrong's YouTube ads course. Now this is a product that has been put together by a mentor, John O. Armstrong, who is the course that I actually started in June, which is the Ministry of Freedom. And there will be a link to a free class, a free webinar in the description box below this video. So if you're interested in finding out more about the course that I started back in June, which is the Ministry of Freedom, that will be in the description box as well. Now, I have a 5th bonus, which is an extra bonus that I've put into here, which is content marketing strategies. Now this is an ebook download that you can get, and it will walk you through how you use your content on your blog and the marketing strategies. So taking it to the next level. So that's a brilliant extra bonus, extra fifth bonus that I've added in for this particular product. So that's it, basically, in a nutshell. It's a cloud-based software. It's a WordPress plugin, and it's basically a content article rewriter. And I think it's brilliant value for money at this point throughout the launch period. And that's all for now. Now, if you like these review videos, give them a thumbs up and hit the notification bell and subscribe, and then you'll be notified at any time when I put a new video on my channel. So I'll see you on the next review video, and bye for now.